With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given, when HI solution is exposed to air, it becomes brown. Explain. So we know that HI is a strong reducing agent, right? HI is a strong reducing agent. Now if it is a strong reducing agent, it readily gets oxidized by air. It readily gets oxidized by air. And what is the reaction? Oxidized by air. Now what is the reaction? The reaction is that when you treat HI with oxygen O2, you get the formation of H2O plus I2. Now this iodine gas, this is iodine, right? Now if you balance the equation, there will be 4HI and 2H2O, 2I2. Now you can see the equation is completely balanced. Now this iodine which is released, this gives you brown color. This gives you brown color. So when HI solution is exposed to air, HI is a strong reducing agent, so it will get oxidized. So HI is oxidized to iodine, and because of this iodine, brown color is present. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.